for some bop. Just landed in Brooklyn. Like damn, I'm on my villager tip. Bro came through with that fire, like he came with a literal stick. Black tea taking Hennessy sips with a rake in my grip in place of a blick. Yo, sorrow. I heard a hood need a rush hour 6. Say less, cause I just landed in. Just landed in Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some pop. Shawty said she from Bushwick, but she on pin nap, give it top. Like, she hopping on villager dick. She swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finish mommy a fresh pack of ops. Wait, fresh out of boat and I'm strapped. Bitch, I'm lit out the oolong and liquor. Who wanna smoke to get paid?
Mic check, 1, 2. Okay, so in today's world, everything is digital, everything is media, everything is stored on something, whether it's your phone. You may have over 1,000 photos and just taking storage, just eating away. You can't find yourself to delete what you've got, because you know you're never going to actually look at that photo again, you're never going to watch that video again, but you just won't delete it because you know, I don't need to. There comes a point in time where you have to, because you run out of storage, or you know, you just not got the backup files. You've got enough SD cards, enough memory sticks or USB sticks or solid state drives going around, but they're all around like the 256 gigabytes or 500 gigabytes at that, and it doesn't really just do it justice once you've put all your files on there and you see on your computer that little bar's turned red. Now I get it, there's companies out there that make these higher compatibility, you know, over 4 terabyte SSDs, but they come somewhat like this in a plastic case, and they still cost ridiculous amounts, and they can overheat because there's no ventilation, because again, it's concealed. Or you pay for an SD card, but easily enough you can lose these or snap them. Well, today we found the solution. Now, I have worked with this company before on one of the docking stations they sent out, and this is from GiGimundo. The docking station is fire. If you haven't got one already, it allows you to use multiple ports and use up to 40 gigabit speeds. Same with this solid state drive. Now, the cool thing about this is not just your standard solid state drive. Yes, it's encased in a metal frame, so if you drop this, you know you're safe. It's durable. The actual cool thing about this is the fans that this is packed with, so when it does overheat and starts getting to a temperature, the fans can kick in, cool it down, and keep you safe and sound from corrupting another solid state drive from overheating issues. Another cool feature I like is the fact that they supply you with a 40 gigabits USB-C to USB-C cable, but it also does have that adapter to your standard USB. You know, if you're not running the top of the line tech with all USB ports, you can still use this baby, no matter what laptop, PC, or whatever you run. Another amazing thing about this SSD is the fact that you're able to drop all your raw files from your camera onto the SSD and edit directly from the device itself with no latency, no lag, no input delays or anything like that. It works exactly the same as working with an internal SSD as it does an external. So that's an absolute bonus. So this model here is called the G40. I've got it in a 2 terabyte. That's plenty enough for me because I run a videography photography company, so I can use this for the main files that I've recorded on the day. I have another SSD that has all the previous files, which are sort of projects I've already finished, so that is good to go on there. Instead of having all my work on one SSD and then, you know, it corrupts or over time gets slower to work from, this is a perfect solution. I can have all my work that I've recently recorded on that day plugged into this, and I know that everything on here needs to be edited or is ready to be uploaded. So a couple of specs about the USB 4 portable SSD by GiGimundo. It is in a aluminium alloy case with also the turbo fans for cooling, and it does run at 40 gigabits per second with a read speed of 3,700 megabytes per second. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. And they also come in a 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and a 4 terabyte option. So if you want to check out the GiGimundo G40 or any other products they have, there will obviously be the link in the description or in the bio if you're on TikTok and so forth. But it is a definite must-have if you're in any sort of content creation or media form workload. This is going to save you more than you know it. And also the fact it's so thin and portable, absolute fire. But anyway, that's everything from me. Capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.